Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert images from your device into your app projects on Base44, so let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so you will need to navigate to your app design or project here on Base44, then click into preview and access the edit mode. You can do this, for example, via the canvas view or page view. I will go with the canvas view. And then guys, here on the right hand side you will see this option, image, click into it and then select the source, for example, and you can use, for example, your device, your computer, or upload from Google Drive or from the library here. As you can see, I've inserted already this image here, so Base44 will ask you to navigate to the given file on your device in JPEG or PNG file format. And that's it. After that, you position the placeholder here on your canvas in your app. And that's it. You may then, for example, resize the image and so on and so forth. Add borders, replace it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.